Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on autoplay on YouTube Kids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then choose a video you want to watch or a channel. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can see in the middle section that autoplay is off. Tap on this icon. And now autoplay is turned on. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!